Hello and welcome back to my channel, everyone. It is your girl Cassandra Olivia with her daughter Olivia Marie. And in today's video, my daughter requested that I cut her hair into a short bob and give her some curly bangs. So I'm just going to show you guys the process of me cutting her hair. And excuse my PJs, it was literally like 6:15 in the morning when she woke me up to do this haircut. I was not the most thrilled, but we got it done. So yeah, I just literally woke up and was like, let's get this done, because homegirl, when you say you're gonna do something, she wants you to do it right then. She gets that from me. So I was like, you know what, you want this haircut, let's do it. And this was on her second to last day of school, so of course she wanted to go and flex in front of her friends, so I figured why not show you guys the process. So right here I'm just creating her shape, and I'm going in at a diagonal, just creating some layers with my shears. You don't want to go straight across with curly hair. You can, but for me personally, I prefer to just like cut on a diagonal and then go up and down with the shears to create some like graduation and some layers, so that way it's not super blunt and it actually flows with the motion of her hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut my guideline, and then I'm going to wet her hair. I'm going to wet her hair afterwards, so that way you guys can see her natural curl pattern when it's wet. I'm going to clean it up, and then I'm just going to go in and do her bangs. And then I am going to let it air dry when she goes to school. And then I'm just going to go in and fix any little pieces that may need to be trimmed after she comes back home. I'm doing this so that way when she wets it, it looks nice. When it's naturally curly, it looks nice. And then I'm going to show you guys how it looked on day 2. So just enjoy this video. It's just like a look and learn, or just pretty much watch what I'm doing. And yeah, I'm just going to cut her hair. I'm just working with the shape that she already has. Olivia already cut her bangs previously, which is why that part of her hair is shorter than the rest of her hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and just blend as best as I can. And yeah, enjoy this tutorial. I'm not going to say too much, but I hope you guys just enjoy me giving my almost 10-year-old daughter a haircut. I can't believe she's going to be 10 on the 22nd of June, so I'm very, very excited for that. And yeah, just enjoy her new haircut before her B-Day. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not already, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, let me know if you like this style cut on Olivia. And then also follow me on Instagram at _CassandраOlivia, and I will see you guys later.
take flight. Was never on the same court. Them guys, not I. Before you judge a book, try reading it. Before blasting all of your Insta feeding it, lying through your teeth. So how about you try wiping the lens for taking the picture first? It'll save you some time. You can peek all you want, but you're broken in mind. Check on the motor inside. Niggas be parasites, feeding off you till you run out of fuel. Then they run to the moon. I ain't surprised, though. No. That's why I do not take no shit from nobody. I've been tested too much, hurt and left to the dust. My bones are made of glass, I'm still walking. So I take extra steps to shatter expectations. I see the future and past, niggas just stepping on glass. Started shining, now they mad, like a heat stroke. Niggas define their own path, and niggas won't take part in that. Where was you at when I crashed? Like a sea coast, yeah. I see the future and past, niggas just stepping on glass. Started shining, now they mad, like a heat stroke. Niggas define their own path, and niggas won't take part in that. Where was you at when I crashed? Like a sea coast, yeah. Black and white is fleeting, you should try a little color, yeah. Black and white is fleeting, you should try a little color, yeah. Black and white is fleeting, you should try a little color, yeah. Black and white is fleeting, you should try a little color, yeah. Pressure turning niggas into diamonds, diamonds turning niggas into fools and the toes. You can't build a way around it. I know you feel surrounded. You know you're human too, right? Running in the moonlight, hoping that you find what you're looking for. When the truth was magnified tenfold, in your face like a nigga wanna fade. Think I need a crucifix around my neck. Why? Cause everybody step with disrespect. Reading all the mother daily sins. Matter of fact, need 7 for the cleanse.
So this was when she left, and this was day 1 when she came back home from school, when it was still partially wet. Actually, I'm lying. This was when I first let it air dry at home. And then the second portion right here is when she came back home from school after she was done playing. As you can see, it's a little bit longer on one side than the other, so I just went in and fixed it just a little bit. It is the same length, but the way that her hair curls, it looked a little wonky, so I did go ahead and fix that. And then I just went in with the Mish Beauty hair products in a spray bottle in the beginning, just in case I forgot to mention. So yeah, just clean up any little pieces that feel like they need to be cleaned up. But I'm just stretching her hair to show you guys it is the same length. It just curls tighter in some spots than others, so I just wanted to go ahead and blend her hair out. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like after we're finally done on day 2, and that will be the portion of her being outside. I know I said I was going to dip out, but I just want to let you guys know my thought process and what I was doing, just in case you guys weren't sure, like, what is this? So this was, again, first day when she got home from school. I'm just showing you guys the longer pieces. I'm going to stretch her hair out and then have her spin around so you guys see how that looks. And then this is the end result. So this is now 2 days post haircut, and it is looking super lovely, super cute, and she was very happy, and so was I. So thank you guys so much for watching. Again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.